Sales teams are losing precious hours, achieving only a mere 2% response. Does that sound familiar to you? Imagine leveraging a powerhouse like Apollo.io, where 500,000 companies find their leads efficiently. It's a game changer. My journey started with the AI Content Center, laying the groundwork for success and tailored outreach strategies. Automating emails, phone calls, and LinkedIn tasks propelled my outreach, achieving 1,432 qualified leads in just 30 days. Automation brought efficiency, with workflows scheduling timely follow-ups and notifying me when opportunities arose. With Apollo's lead scoring model, we focused on 20% of prospects, generating 80% of our sales efficiently. Their data accuracy is unmatched, ensuring I reached premium prospects and improved our conversion rate significantly. The secret lies in the sophisticated verification system that keeps contact details fresh, preventing costly mistakes. CRM integration maximizes Apollo.io's potential, improving sales team performance dramatically with seamless updates. This journey addresses daily challenges like email deliverability, using SPF, DKIM, and Mark for enhanced reliability. My results speak volumes. Thousands enjoy Apollo's benefits, transforming how leads are generated forever. Unlock your sales potential today. Apollo.io is your partner in revolutionizing lead generation and smashing goals.